4 primary types of tissue in the body. Definition of tissue. Tissue is a group of structurally similar cells that perform a specific, coordinated function. Heart tissue. In the human body, tissues are the organizational level between cells and organs, and they work together to support various physiological processes. Muscle tissue. Epithelial tissue is the protective covering on body surfaces. Function. Skin, mucous membranes, the tissue inside the mouth, the lining of heart, as pictured, digestive and respiratory organs, and the glands. Relevance to cosmetology. Skin, epidermis, hair follicles, and sweat glands are all composed of epithelial cells. This tissue plays a critical role in protection, absorption, and secretion. Example: a group of tissue called the stratified squamous epithelium. Definition: stratified squamous epithelium is a multi-layered epithelial tissue made up of flat, squamous cells on the surface and more rounded cells in the deeper layers. The main function of this tissue is protection. Function: protects underlying tissues from abrasion, pathogens, chemicals, and environmental damage. Provides a barrier to prevent water loss and block harmful substances. Relevance to cosmetology. Epidermis of the skin. The most superficial layer of skin that cosmetologists work with during facials, waxing, exfoliation, and makeup application. Lining of the mouth important for understanding oral care during aesthetic procedures. Connective tissue. A fibrous tissue that binds together, protects, and supports the various parts of the body. Adipose if one type of connective tissue. Function: provides structural support, binds tissues together, stores energy, and transports substances. Relevance to cosmetology. Dermis, underlying layer of the skin, collagen and elastin fibers that contribute to skin firmness and elasticity. And adipose tissue, fat, that impacts body contour and skin health. Example: blood, bone, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, lymph, and adipose, fat, tissue. Muscle tissue. Contracts and moves various parts of the body. Function: produces movement through contraction. This includes movement of the body and internal organs. Relevance to cosmetology. Muscle tone affects facial contour, and facial massage techniques can influence muscle relaxation and circulation. Various types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle, voluntary, like facial muscles, important for understanding muscle tone, which influences the appearance of the skin and contours of the body. Cardiac muscle, involuntary, heart, while not directly worked on, understanding cardiac muscle is important when considering circulation, especially during massage and treatments that influence blood flow and heart rate. Smooth muscle, involuntary, found in organs like the erector pili muscle. Understanding cardiac muscle is important when considering circulation, especially during massage and treatments that influence blood flow and heart rate. Nervous tissue. Carries messages to and from the brain and controls and coordinates all bodily functions. Function: initiates and transmits electrical impulses that coordinate body functions. Relevance to cosmetology. Sensory receptors in the skin respond to touch, temperature, and pressure. Important for client comfort and treatment feedback. Example: brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerves. Understanding the 4 types of body tissue, epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue, is essential for anyone entering the field of cosmetology. Each tissue type plays a vital role in the structure and function of the human body, particularly the skin, hair, nails, and underlying systems that cosmetologists interact with daily. By recognizing how these tissues work together to protect, support, move, and communicate within the body, cosmetology professionals can perform treatments with greater precision, safety, and effectiveness. This knowledge also helps in identifying changes in the skin or body that may affect hair, nail, and facial services.